Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra and this is the IPO related edition where we are focusing on the upcoming IPO of Sri Lotus Developers, a real estate development company that's backed by a seasoned market investor like Ashish Kacholia and a lot of Bollywood celebrities as well, including Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Hritik Roshan and many other A-listers of Bollywood as well. The company is focused on ultra luxury and luxury residential and commercial projects in Mumbai, especially in the western suburbs like Juhu, Andheri and Bandra, and the IPO is coming up on July 30th. It will close on August 1st. It aims to raise about 792 odd crore rupees from a fresh issue of 5.28 crore shares. Now the price band is between 140 and 150 rupees per share, and the IPO does not include any offer for sale. And the lot size for investors is 100 shares as well. Let's get into a conversation with the top management of the company to understand more in depth about the company's vision, the aim with which they are launching this IPO and what can we expect going forward from here. So let us welcome Mr. Anand Kamalnayan Pandit. He is the CMD of Sri Lotus Developers and Realty. We're also joined by Mr. Sanjay Jain. He's the CEO of Sri Lotus Developers and Realty as well. Warm welcome to both of you, Anandji and Sanjay, and thank you so much for taking the time out for this conversation. Let's start off with you. Anandji, help us understand, what is the thought process behind launching this IPO? What are you aiming to do with the funds that you will be raising at this point in time? And why do you think this is the right time for you to come into the IPO space in the stock market, sir?
First of all, Sakshi, thank you for having us on your show. Lotus Developer is a very well established name in the micro market of Mumbai, especially with the very high end suburbs of Mumbai. We are more in the redevelopment space of old dilapidated buildings and societies. We convert those we break those societies and convert them into a very high-end luxury buildings. And we rehouse old tenants into that space. And remaining we use for recovering the cost of the project and for our profit. As you said, we have a lot of micro markets right now. We are in Warsaw, we are in Andheri, we are in Juhu, we are in Bandra, and now expanding in South Mumbai also. A lot of projects we have taken. We have completed a lot of projects also. And now we are ready to take on more projects. And that was the purpose of going for IPO and raising the fund.
So in South Mumbai, which are the areas you are targeting first, sir? By when do you think you can start your operations there? And what is the method that you are using there to enter into that key area as well? Would it be through land acquisitions, asset-light models, or are you also looking at JVs on that aspect?
So South Mumbai, we have taken two projects. One is in Prabhadevi, which is a society redevelopment. And another is a JD model, but similar to redevelopment model on Nepean Sea Road, and now expanding more areas in South Mumbai. We are a truly asset-light model company operating in a luxury space. Majority of, I would say, more than 90% of our projects are society redevelopment projects where we do not have to incur land cost, and we are truly asset light. And that is why if you see our debt equity ratio or net debt is extremely low, and it's getting lower and lower day by day. So this is what our thinking on our finances. And also we complete our projects very fast within 2.5 to maximum 3.5 years and turn around. So we are more like in real estate, we are more like a product company rather than a project company.
Okay, got that. You talked about the debt equity ratio, sir. Could you help me understand, out of the entire funds that you are raising, how much will go to retire your debt? What will be the end result after you pay off your debt? And what is your comfortable debt to equity band that you can be okay with?
So, out of 792 crore, entire money is going for the company for the new acquisition of new project. And so 550 crore is the ongoing projects we are using. and the balance for the working capital and general corporate expenses. So no money going for the debt repayment.
No money is going for the debt repayment. Okay. Help me understand a little bit on as to you boast of a long lineup of A-listers that are backing you in the company, including market investor Ashish Kacholia and a lot of Bollywood celebrities. The list almost is endless. How did you get so many Bollywood celebrities on board? What is it giving them the confidence, to continue to partake in your growth journey, sir?
So we are operating in that footprint where the presence of celebrities and Bollywood is. We are operating in that high-end luxury market, and they have been our clients since my journey started. They have seen me growing. They have seen and used my product also, and they are my investors also and actual user also. And when it comes to celebrities, as you know, they generally like high-end products. Uh, so they are on one side, they are our clients also. And since I was going public, they become our investor also. As far as Mr. Ashish Kacholia is concerned, and Jagdish Master, Devin Choksi, people from market is concerned, they have done our full due diligence of the company, and after they have entered into this, and everybody is for long term, they are investing into this company.
Sir, help us understand when it comes to your market share. You're working in a very narrow micro market, you said. That's your playground. What is your market share in the areas that you currently operate in? The ones that you want to now enter into, how do you really, plan to stay relevant and make a mark for yourself in a hugely competitive market, sir?
So it's not only about market share when it comes to real estate, uh, because now it's not suburb wise, it's more project wise, and that is how you value your product. So when we started our journey, we started with Juhu, then expanded into Andheri, then expanded into other micro markets. So since we deliver very what we promised and little more than what we promised and earlier than what we promised, because of that we get a good response. And when it comes to buying a house or buying a office, the trust, the name, trust is extremely important. And we have made our brand a trusted luxury brand in all micro markets. And we are very confident that whatever micro market we open, if we perform there as per our promise, we will have no issue of any competition.
Okay. Sanjay ji, let's talk a little bit on the finances side as well.
Yeah.
You've reported about a 549, 550 odd crore rupee of revenue for FY25. That has increased substantially from 461 odd crores. Even your profit has seen a significant surge to 227 odd crore rupees in FY25. What is the kind of trajectory that you are working with? And if you could also help us in a little bit on the margin side, what are you working with and will it be sustainable throughout FY26 as well?
So we are operating in the mostly in the Warsaw, Jew premium, ultra premium sites, and there is the average ticket size is very big. And so what happened? The
What is it? Could
margin
you expound that upon, to help our viewers understand?
ticket size. So in the Jew also there is the very big ticket size. In the Warsaw we are coming on the beach side, so ticket size is very high. Uh,
So
and
all projects, if I can say, all projects are mounted in a luxury segment of places. Like we have on Warsaw Beach, we have on Juhu Beach, we have on Carter
So,
Road.
what is the average ticket size, sir?
All, Every ticket size is quite higher than other people. We are not that aspirational band. We are in a most luxury band. So every ticket size is much higher than other peers.
Okay. And what is, Sir Sanjay ji, could you expound upon what you were talking on the overall revenue potential growth that you can see,
so
the
so la-
profitability as well as margins?
Yeah, so from last year to we have done the 19% growth, and we are intend to continue the growth. And the upcoming projects, we have the upcoming and ongoing project estimated saleable area is 19.35 lakh square feet.
Okay. Could you also expand to us what is your revenue mix between residential and commercial luxury estates that you are selling?
So for all upcoming project, the commercial will be around 10%, 39.5%, and the residential is 60 point something.
So residential is a higher ticket. Will you, take it that way only, or do you want to expand to 50-50 maybe?
So it's a market dynamics, I think.
Okay.
Depending on the requirement of market, we can, since we have a very flexible model, as I said, we are completely asset light model. Uh, Whatever direction we want to take, we are very easy for us to take this direction, whether it is a project size, whether it is a project mix, whether it is different micro markets, all that flexibility lies with us.
Okay. How many of your projects have been completed? How many are ongoing, and what is the pipeline, sir?
So four project we have completed, five project we are ongoing, and 11 project are upcoming projects. So that is
Okay.
the ongoing and upcoming project. Total estimated saleable area is 19.35 lakh square feet.
Okay, got that. That's the upcoming one or the entire one, sir, you're talking about?
Entire one, entire one.
Entire. Okay, and from the 11 upcoming projects, how many do we see in FY26?
So seven project will be launched in the this financial year 25-26.
Hmm. Okay. Help me understand, sir. Given the long gestation period of real estate projects, how do you maintain a strong cash flow and timely project delivery, sir?
So I think it's a more passion driven company rather than a square feet driven company. Uh, full families involved in the business, and our top management, everybody is very passionate about real estate and luxury real estate, and
Okay.
the almost full ecosystem of what requires to deliver faster and better product is in house. When I say in-house means acquisition is completely in-house team, liaison team is completely in-house, construction team is also in-house, except skilled and unskilled laborers, everything is in-house. Architecture studio is completely in-house. Sales team is completely in-house. So everything is in-house, so we don't have to depend on outside people, to complete our projects. And
Okay.
since our velocity of sales is higher and our delivery is faster and our per square feet revenue is higher, that is how our finances works brilliantly.
Okay. Do you ever plan to move beyond, Mumbai into other areas in the country? Are you looking at any high value, spaces that could give you a replication impact of what you are already seeing as a success in the micro markets of Mumbai?
I think we are sitting in a gold pot. In near future, I don't have any plans. But as I said, we are a asset light model. We can go anywhere. But currently, we do not have any plan. We are focusing where we are doing the best.
Okay. One of the analysts has mentioned, who's been reading up your RHP and DRHP, as a key concern that they are bringing in is that your early investors in the last 8 months have potentially made no returns even before the IPO. What gives you the confidence that beyond the IPO they will have substantial kind of opportunities to make money, sir?
I don't think kind of investors we are looking, or the investor who has invested is there to make a small buck in some small time. They are real investors. They want to grow with our company. And also, I don't want to give that feeling to my new investor who are coming within another six, because last round was almost in December. So within 6 months, nothing changes much in any of the companies. And nobody expects that. A person who is there in the company, who is an investor, he's growing with the company. So we don't want to give that feeling to our new set of investor also, that they have to pay a little more. So everybody is at par for us.
Okay. Help me understand, sir, for a fresh investor who will be looking at investing in your IPO, what are the 2 or 3 milestones that they should be tracking for, going forward as a mark of growth, as a mark of success and online performance, sir?
So I think for us, if they want to track, they can track our delivery, how fast we do our delivery. Also, per square foot revenue, what we are achieving, than any other peer group, and what kind of new in this competitive market, what kind of new projects we are getting from this market. These are the three basic indicators, I think.
Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for speaking to us and sharing all those insights. All the best for the upcoming IPO, and we'll see you around once the financials come in. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sakshi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshi.
All right, viewers, we'll wrap it up on that note. Upcoming IPO, Sri Lotus Developers, the key core areas that the company is working with, the confidence with which they want to go forward beyond the micro markets that they're already in and are wanting to replicate their success that there has been already seen. And of course, they're also not too perturbed about a small time return, but do believe that the long term benefits will accrue for the existing shareholders, the pre-IPO investors, and also for the future investors. But do stay tuned on to Business Today Television. We will definitely help you decode the earnings with top market experts also, and try and understand from them how are they reading up this opportunity within the entire real estate basket for all of you. So stay tuned. Much more coming in for you on your screens on the other side.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.